How to find your trade URL on Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get your trade offer link in your Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you will need to do is open up your Steam. Now you can use your Steam app, or you can use your Steam in a browser version. You can use whichever you want. So just open it up, and after you open it up, simply log in into your account, and here you will see your account's name. Tap on it, head over to your profile, and after you're here you will see inventory right here. Head over to inventory. After you're on your inventory, head over to trade offers. You'll see it right here. Tap on that, and after you're here, scroll down and you will see who can send me trade offers. Now all you need to do is tap on this, and after you tap on that, if you scroll down a bit, you will find a trade URL. And this is basically how you can get your trade URL, and this is the only way you can get your trade URL. Now, after you've just copied this and shared it with your friend, you're basically good to go. And if you are getting a lot of trade offers from it, you want to change your URL, simply tap on create new URL and you're good to go. And yeah, that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.